Hello kids, today our story is Greedy Dog. There was a dog that was very hungry. He searched for food everywhere but couldn't find anything to eat. At last, he found a bone. He picked the bone with his mouth and started going back to his home. There was a bridge on the way to his home. When he started crossing it, he saw his reflection in the water. The dog thought that there was another dog with the bone. The dog thought he wanted to get that other bone too. He started barking at his own reflection. His bone fell in water as soon as he opened his mouth. The greedy dog lost his bone. So kids, moral of the story is greed is curse. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.